Businesses and people both understand the desire and, quite frankly, the need to share content, whether it be audio, video, or other. SpaceJammit is the easiest and best platform to move large files from one source to another, period. We've streamlined what you're capable of. SpaceJammit is accessible on every internet device via the cloud and allows each user to share all of their content. In fact, your audience doesn't need an account to receive your content. No matter what file types you work with or need to share, SpaceJammit can save you time in your day-to-day so you can focus on editing and creating your content. This product isn't just for one type of person, it's for every person. And once you use it, you realize that things will never be the same. SpaceJammit started basically an idea we had. I think it was right around my 50th birthday party because there was something that Sean did not attend. He blew it off and missed it. I wanted me to share video and content. And when I tried to share it to him, there was just some challenges with the quality of the file. I have an Apple, he has an Android.
I remember commenting on the video was poor, and you kept telling, no, it's crystal clear, it's crystal clear. Then when we did sync up, you were able to show me on your phone the video was crystal clear, and I was able to show you on my device how the video is quite choppy. And I think it was at that point we both decided, we kind of need to figure this out.
We wanted to deliver something that made life easier. The problem that we're trying to solve is actually applicable to a lot of different groups. And it's focused mainly on moving large files. We're talking gigabytes of files, high resolution files, or large quantity files like 40 or 50 photographs from point A to point B. And we wanted to get something together that we knew we could present that would solve a lot of issues and be agnostic to any platform and allow folks to save time and be convenient.
We allow for high upload, high bandwidth. It keeps that high quality so that you don't lose any type of quality when you're sending it to the users you want to send it to. SpaceJammit is global as well. If you're on the space station, you could share a file down with somebody on Earth, so long as you have an internet connection. Not only is the ease of use, but security and data sharing is top of mind for us in that your files will always be secure. We will never share your data with any other platform or provider. It's your data, not ours.
Build something that streamlines that process, is agnostic to any platform. It's a better experience. And quite frankly, from file sharing, it doesn't get much simpler, it doesn't get much easier. SpaceJammit works for a variety of different use cases. It doesn't matter if you're the gamer, if you're a videographer, but it carries over into the content creator, the photographer, the event planner, someone who's working with a lot of business files, or someone who's recording a lot of large video in terms of 4K high resolution. SpaceJammit works.
You get fast uploads, you keep high quality video files on a secure platform that you can share and streamline with anyone from coworkers to family to friends from anywhere you may be.
The target audience, your end user, your editor, they don't need to have an account to look at the file. A lot of times right now with some of the competing products out there, there's permissions issues, there's degradation within the platform itself, and it spends a lot more time uploading and downloading content. We build bridges and turn challenges into opportunities. We want to be front and center to give the customer the best experience to share their content, allowing folks to show their artistic vision to best represent their brand. If this resonates with you, you are our kind of people. SpaceJammit. Fly like an eagle, roar like a lion, swim like a shark. Let's be great together.